Here's the truth. Your go-to-market strategy is meaningless without knowing the list of companies and contacts you actually need to be focusing on right now. Sounds simple, right?
In the bane of my existence.
It takes forever to go through your targets.
I never want to upload a CSV into a system ever again.
The data's not always right. It's so painful.
It could take weeks, 20 tools to stitch together, and constant manual updates, and rerunning filters to even put together a list, only to be stale by Friday. We built Warmly with one goal in mind: launching real-time, auto-updating lists of your best fit accounts and contacts you should be focusing on right now, in minutes. Let me show you how it works. First, we add a script tag to your site, so we can tell you who's visiting your site and what they're looking for. Then we connect your CRM and your marketing tools. Warmly pulls in all the companies and contacts across your tools and unifies their activity. We combine your data with our signals engine to get an intent score based on your prior conversions. From there, we're going to ask AI a series of qualification questions. These become the criteria from which you can filter the list. Once we have the highest intent, best fit accounts, we find and enrich the perfect set of contacts for each account that are needed to close the sale. Nothing more, nothing less. For anything we can't match perfectly, you can take control and update the prompt to find exactly who you're looking for. Finally, send the hottest best fit leads to your sales reps, automate outreach to your warm leads, and personalize nurture to the rest. As we collect and centralize more data across all your systems, our confidence score in our models starts to increase. Go-to-market leaders went from guessing to knowing.
Warmly sourced MQLs closed 50% higher and 30% faster than our other sources.
With Warmly, we were able to reduce our list building time to basically nothing.
Warmly has allowed us to increase our pipeline targets by 20% without increasing headcount.
Since using Warmly, our CPLs dropped almost by 40%. We've doubled our average contract value, and our sales team freaking loves using it.
ABM used to be impossible. Now it runs itself.